So we have our lips prepped with a lovely lip balm. You want to make sure the lips are moisturized, but also you don't want them to be too greasy. I'm just going to dry them out, and I'm going to use my powder and also a dry tissue. Might feel a little bit crusty, but trust me, they're not going to look it, honey. Now I'm going to take Peaches and Cream. It's like a slightly nudie brownie. If you want a little control, you can hold with the pinky, and this is also going to help get a nice sturdy line. I'm going to start on the bottom. Just feathering. I like my lip lines quite prominent. Just gonna line where the natural line is. Don't worry if you go outside the lip line, because we can always clean up later. Open a little bit for me. Don't be afraid to ask your client to open and close as well if you're having difficulty seeing things. Just on the natural lip line, we haven't done any overlining yet. So now we just have like a basic outline of the lips. However, we haven't done the Cupid's bow yet. What I like to do to really enhance and plump the lips is slightly go overboard. So you might notice some people have this prominent line here, but there's not much pigment on it. That is the line that you're going to use to overline. I prefer just overlining in the center of the lips, because I just feel like it gives more of a kissable, kind of juicy effect. Amber's got quite a deep Cupid's bow, so I'm gonna round it off so slightly. The way to check if the lips are even is to just have a peep underneath, and that way you can see if your bottom lip is fully symmetrical. A good way to check the top lip is just have the model look down, and you can look from above. We are gonna take a pinky nudie lipstick. Gonna take a flat brush of any sort, just load it onto the lip brush. I like to use a lip brush when doing clients just because it's a lot more hygienic, but also you can really control the amount of product you're putting on the lip. I'm just kind of putting that in the center of the lip. This just helps it to kind of blend together seamlessly. Okay, now we've got that lovely lipstick on, I'm just gonna reinforce that liner a little bit. Having that lighter color in the middle really helps the lips to appear a lot bigger. There, as you can see, I've made a slight mistake. This is the perfect time to show you how to resurrect that. I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer, just a dot, and I'm gonna use an angled brush. So we're gonna start at the edges, clean any areas that we feel like can be more crisp. Gorgeous. We're then gonna take our pressed powder, and it just blends naturally to the rest of the face. We're using our Hair Shop lip gloss, and I love it because it is cheap. Pressing it in just because we don't want any of that product to move. That, guys, is our everyday juicy lip. I hope you guys love it.